Here we are at the Mercedes dealer again. The driver's side went yellow on this car. The car really wasn't too bad, but it just went yellow on one side. The side wasn't so bad. And it really depends on the camera angle here. This light was a lot worse. But by the time we were done, look what we have here. There you go. All right, so there you go. Looks really, really nice. The way it should on a Mercedes. And then that bad light, look how pretty that one is. There you go. South Florida, Headlight Restoration, 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We serve Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Text us the pictures of your headlight, give us a call, and we'll come to your home or office. Thank you.